these guys, like on our breaks, like they come up behind us. I got another package.
They're just not being very nice to me at the moment.
Get the police involved. Why do they think that that's okay? I shouldn't have to put up with that. I'm just a barista. I'm literally just a barista. Very exciting package.
Hi, I have completely neglected the vlog this week. It is midday on a Wednesday and I'm at work. I'm eating lunch in my car because that's a loud plane. I'm just eating lunch in my car because there are so many people around that they're just not being very nice to me at the moment, and other staff as well. So there's quite a large homeless population here, and we are in a very public area and they are all just coming in. They are not being very nice to us. This has happened since I started here, like it's nothing new, and I had just grown accustomed to it. But because I'm so on edge, like I have so many things going on. Like I just did all of my Easter cookies. I'm in the middle of planning a wedding. I just did full-time hours at the cafe for 2 weeks. I feel like there are so many other things that I'm forgetting. I need to upkeep the house, just like all of these little things. And I feel like these little remarks from these people are now just really bugging me because I just don't have time for it. I'm not in the mood. I don't have the energy to like laugh it off and like, ha, like, bit inappropriate there. Like, I don't have that energy to upkeep those conversations anymore. So this has resulted in me eating lunch in my car. But yeah, that's just where I'm at this week, and I'm just not having a very good time. I feel like I don't have any energy for the things that I really want to do. Like, I absolutely love YouTube, but like these last couple of weeks it has felt more like a chore than a hobby, which is so sad because I love YouTube. Like I love filming, I love editing, I love being able to watch back my life, but it is just, I feel like I'm just so drained and exhausted and I don't really know what to do about it. It's like 3 more days of super busy and then I get to have a break, which I'm just so excited for. But yeah, I just have leftover pasta that Rowan bulk made at the start of the week. That's a little update from me. I don't really know what this video is going to be because I've literally just filmed 3 seconds of a sunset and here I am in the middle of the week. So we'll see if this even makes it to the internet, but it possibly does not. I hope you're having a great week.
I have just finished work and I got a very, very exciting package that I just picked up from the post office. Oh, Cosmo's very interested. Hi. So if you watched last week's vlog, you'll know that I got a new phone and I bought some cases. Oh my gosh, my dogs are very interested. And I'm gonna protect this phone with my life. That's why I got some really, really good quality cases. Firstly, actually, I got a glass screen protector because I think I'm really gonna need that. Excuse me, Zig. Oh my goodness. No, wait, these are cute. Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna show you what they come in. They come in this like cloth fabric bag. So this is the brand BURGA. And I have seen so many things about these phone cases, and one of the girls I watch on YouTube actually had a discount code. So I'm like, well, why not? What better time to grab some new phone cases? It's just a whole experience. I feel like BURGA phone cases are the equivalent to Apple phones. Like it's like the experience of opening it, you know? Let's open it together. I got 4 designs, so I'm not sure what this one's gonna be. Oh my god, this is my cute little beachy one. Oh my god, I'm so excited. So they've got like little palm trees and little shells on them. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna put them each back in their little bags because I just want to keep them nice and safe. Okay, that was number 1. I got 4 in total. They were having a deal, so it was a buy 2 get 4. So I'm like, well, why not? I'm probably gonna buy 2 anyway. So technically 2 of these are free, which just makes me so happy. Again, the beautiful little BURGA pouch. Oh, this one's cute. So I got ones with little oranges on them. So the background is like a light beige. So this one isn't white, it's like a beige and orange one. Okay, the third case. Oh, this is probably one of my faves. It's like a red and pink checkered case. I think this one is gorgeous. And I feel like this one will go really, really well with the purple phone. They feel like such good quality. Okay, and the very last case that I got was this one. I just love everything like floral and pink and cute. Like this reminds me of like a grandma's tablecloth, or like in a good way, you know what I mean? Like sometimes I just wear cute little like floral dresses and little floral tops, and I feel like this just encapsulates my whole vibe. Like I just love it. It's so cutesy and girly and sweet. I actually shouldn't have put them all back in their little cases because I want to show you them all together. So these are all 4 of my cases. I just think they're the most pretty patterns and they are just so gorgeous, and I'm so glad that I got them because I want to protect this phone at all costs. I'm actually going to put one on now. I don't know which one I should do. I think I might actually do the oranges first. I think that's going to look really cute. Oh no, should I? Oh, I don't know. Maybe the little floral. Oh my gosh, this is just such a hard decision. Imagine being so privileged that this is a hard decision. Maybe this one. Yeah, I think this one. I think I'm going to do the one with all the little beach doodles on it. Hello, this is Darby speaking. Hello? Oh, I'm good, thank you. How are you? So that call just went for 30 minutes. I signed up to WWF to get some seeds here, but in WA they're super strict with their seeds, so they called to let me know that they can't deliver seeds, but they can give me a sticker. So I'm like, yeah, sure, like let's have a sticker. Cool, thanks so much. And they're like, can you donate this amount? I'm like, no, sorry. Can you donate this lower amount? I'm like, no, sorry. And they're like, last offer, can you donate this amount? And I'm like, look, I'm so sorry. Like, I'm really not in the position to be donating right now. Hopefully later in the future, when I have so much money that I can just give to all of these organizations, like I would absolutely love to. But unfortunately, I just cannot right now. And he's like, no, all good, no worries at all. But that was a really long call. So now I can finally put my phone case on my phone. Oh my God, that's perfect. I was fidgeting as I was on the phone, and this comes off. So it's like a double layer protection, and it's got like a MagSafe thing. It connects to the things that like go on your car, and you can have your phone like up on the dash with like maps or something, and it like sticks to that, and like the wireless chargers and things. Anyway, I've never had a phone that actually works with any of that. How cute. Oh, perfect timing because Rowan is home. Thank you so much for coming along with me for my little phone case haul. Okay, I'm gonna go let Rowan in. This has been a bit chaotic. I am just getting ready for work. I have actually run out of shorts, so I am wearing overalls. But I'm sure that's fine because it's like black and denim. But a bit of a scary thing happened yesterday. Something happened yesterday, Arvo, that has really made me question how much this job is really worth to me. As I was closing up, a homeless man grabbed me. And that was really, really scary. Like, why do they think that that's okay? I shouldn't have to put up with that. I'm just a barista. I'm literally just a barista. Like, I shouldn't have to put up with that. Like, that's awful. Like, why do they feel like they're entitled to touch us and like say gross things to us and grab us and And so last night I was talking to Rowan about it, and he's like, no, like everyone is going through this. Nobody has stood up for themselves. Like, I think you need to be the one to do it. And I feel like I'm the one standing up for a lot of people, which is a good thing, but it's just so draining. And I feel like I'm always taking the heat when I stand up to someone, or when I say like, oh, this isn't working. And then there's a lot of confrontation, which I've learned this year that I don't hate confrontation as much as I used to. Like, I think it's good to have confrontation to then move forward. But with something like this, like it happens, like it's happened to so many girls at my cafe, and they're all just like, oh, maybe I'll wait until something really bad happens. But I mean, touching you is really, really bad. And like these guys, like on our breaks, like they come up behind us. It's starting to feel a little bit unsafe. So I said something. Like I was talking to Rowan and we put together this message and I said something and it was really, really scary. But a lot of people from my work messaged me privately. They're like, oh, are you okay? Are you okay? And I'm like, yeah, I'm fine. But like this shouldn't be happening. Like I need to stand up for myself. Like I've asked my boss to either talk to this person directly or to get the police involved because it's just not right. It's not on. I felt uncomfortable. I felt unsafe. Like it's just not the environment that I want to be in. And if nothing changes and if this continues to happen, like I don't think this job is worth it. Like I just don't want to feel unsafe in my workplace, you know? Anyway, that's my little spiel this morning. I'm about to have breakfast. I've got a bit of a late start. My banana's going a little bit brown, so I might have banana. I actually just got a call saying I don't need to come into work today because it's really quiet, and that just makes me so happy because I need a break. I just need a break from everything. So I think I'm just gonna do like a full house clean and just like, I literally have my shoes ready to go and like I was dressed and everything. And then she's like, look, it's quiet. You don't have to come in if you don't want to. And I'm like, thank you so much. I will take that offer. I'm just gonna have a reset day. I'm gonna clean my space. I'm gonna just rest my body because I feel like I've just been go, go, go. And this is a sign. This is a sign that I just need to rest. I feel like this week has just been a mix of really shitty moments and packages. I got another package. So at the start of this year, we were like really, really strict on our budget. And we've hit the goal like 6 months out. So now I'm back to having no budget. Well, like I'm still on a budget, but it's not as strict as it was because we needed to save up to a certain amount of money. And now we are there. I went on Depop a couple weeks ago and I ordered this. I feel like this is not what I ordered. Oh, it's in a bag. I'm like, this is such a bright color. I did not order that. Cosmo is so interested. Okay, so I also got a tote bag. Cute. It's so warm because it's just been in my letterbox. But this is going to be perfect for winter. It's an Eras Tour jumper and I could not be more excited about it. It's like a big oversized medium fit. It's like a beige color. And it's even got like Taylor Swift written down the arm. And I think this is just gonna be the best, coziest thing. I'm going for a walk tomorrow morning. Oh, okay. I'm going for a walk tomorrow morning and I might even get to wear this because it's a little bit chilly in the mornings. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Isaac, you want to see my jumper? Are we okay? Are we okay? Did you just tell him off? Good boy, Zig. If he does something you don't like, you tell him. You tell him. I've just had the coziest morning. I made some air fried chicken. I watched the end of Maths. I'm very, very behind. But I watched Final Vows and now I just got this jumper in the mail and I feel like I really needed this day to rest. Potentially might even get another rest day tomorrow, although it is Anzac Day, so potentially not. But yeah, I'm just so happy with my purchase and it was off Depop, so it wasn't like I spent an exorbitant amount of money on something like this because they are just so overpriced. Like I will always go secondhand for things like this. I used to be such a secondhand snob, which is really sad, but now like half of the things I own are secondhand. And like imagine saving money for your future instead of spending it on clothes, but you still get the clothes anyway and you have the money in the future. I don't know. Call me crazy. It is probably a bit too warm right now for a jumper, but I think I've just got to try it on. I can't believe that I thought it was this color and I was so confused. And this is in perfect condition. And she said she literally only wore it once and it was less than half price. Like, I don't know why people don't shop Depop. It is the perfect oversized fit. Oh my god, I can't wait for winter to just be so cozy. I just think it's the cutest thing when a dog just looks directly into your eyes and just stays like that. My walks with a friend used to be like 30 minutes and now they've turned into like a 2-hour thing. So I'm just so excited to just get to catch up with her. How's my way crying? Come on in. Anyway, I just really needed this day to recharge. Lately I've just been feeling so drained, but now I'm just feeling so good. I just needed a couple hours. I even had a nap. I had a nap this morning. I had a 2-hour nap. Isn't that crazy? Like my body just needed a rest. And I also booked in for a hair wash to Savo because I think that'd just be the cherry on top of the cake to just get pampered a little bit. And my hack is if you have like crazy unruly hair and it takes like half a day start to finish to wash it, dry it, style it, go to your nearest salon and I can assure you there's going to be some form of apprentice there. And you can get an apprentice special, which is like they wash your hair and they style it for you. And it's the exact same as like a proper stylist. Like, yeah, you might not be able to get like the perfect blow wave, but like if you just want to wash and straighten, like literally anyone can do that. And I think my girl's now gone up from like $15 to $25, but that's better than $70. I'm just so excited. So I'm gonna go see my girl Brooke, the Savo, and yeah, it's just gonna be such a cute arvo. And I'm so happy that I got this jumper. I wish it was cold enough. I'm gonna have to take it off now actually because I'm starting to sweat. Yeah, I think this day just worked out perfectly for me and I'm so happy about it. Is this better? Probably not. I am sitting in my car and I'm just waiting for a friend and I'm just so happy that we get to do these little walks. Oh, she's just sent me a Snapchat. This is your sign to go find a friend and go make like a little routine together. I don't know, it's just so fun. I am just here editing this vlog that's going up this afternoon and I realized that I really didn't film anything this week. It was literally just me chatting and opening packages, but I think it's something a bit different. It's like as if I were just like chatting to you on FaceTime. If you can hear that ripping in the background, that is Ziggy with a Kmart bag. I just went and bought Rowan's birthday present. So I want to say thank you so much if you did end up clicking on this vlog and watching it, even though it was just me yapping for like 15 minutes or however long this vlog is. But thank you so much and hopefully I'll have an actual weekly vlog for you next week. Bye.